Hello everyone, welcome to Mech-In-Tech. So in this video we are going to see a few logical operators, and let's start with AND OR operator. The where clause can contain one or many AND operators and same one or many OR operators. The OR and AND operator is used to filter record based on more than one condition. The AND operator displays a record if all the conditions are true, and OR operator is used to display a record if any condition are true. Now see AND operator in practical. So I want to see only DBA department from department column. Okay, so for that I will write this query: select star from employee where department is equal to DBA. Okay, so when I will write this when I will run this query, I will get the output. And here if you notice, we are having department is equal to DBA but different salary. Okay, now what we can do, like now I want to filter out those record whose department is DBA but salary is 50,000. So that time what we can do, we can just add AND operator here, and after that salary is equal to 50,000. So what AND operator will do, AND operator will give you output only when this both condition will get satisfied. Okay, so now if I run this query, now see our both condition is getting satisfied, that's why we are getting results here. Okay, suppose if I change department here, I will put data engineer here. Okay, and now if I run, if department is equal to data engineer sales and salary is equal to 50,000 get match, then it will show the record, otherwise it won't show record. Okay, now let's see now we are not getting any record. Now let's see OR operator. So in OR operator, if any one of this condition gets true, then we will get the result. Okay, so let me copy this and see. Instead of AND, I will put OR, and if any condition is true, then we'll get the result. So in this output you can see, in department we are having data engineer. It means our first condition is true, and second condition, that is salary is equal to 5,000 or 50,000. So this condition is also true. So that's why we are getting this output. So again I will repeat, in AND condition, if all the given conditions are true, then only you will get the output. But in OR, if any condition is true, you will get the output. Okay, suppose you can see for data engineer and for DBA we are having this much salary. Or wait, let me query this. Okay, I will give salary out of this range. Okay, we are having minimum salary, that is 34, and maximum is 60. So what I will do, I will put 10. Okay, now see, if I run this one, it will give me only department, because our department condition is satisfying. Okay, I hope you are clear with AND and OR operator. Now let's see in operator. So in operator we can use with where condition, and in operator is a shortcut of multiple OR operators. So now what I will do, I will just copy this query, and I want a record where salary having 40,000, 30,000. Okay, so what I will do, I will specify the column name salary in. Okay, so what in is doing, in will search for only 40,000 and 50,000 salary, and it will give result based on this condition only. If I run, so see, I am getting only salary which is having 40,000 and 50,000. Now what I can do, if I want records expect salary having 40 and 50. So what I can do, I will just specify here not. Okay, wait. It comes under not in. So what I will do, I will just copy this query and paste here, and before in you just have to specify not in. Okay, and if I run the query, what I will get, I will get all the results expect 40,000 and 50,000 salary. See, so now I have all the result expect 40,000 and 50,000 as a salary. Now let's see between operator. So the between operator select values within a given range. The values can be number, text or dates. The between operator is inclusive, being and end values are included. It means like if you give your like starting value and end value, so what it will do, like between will take data within that particular given range. Okay, and it will not include out of that range. So now let's see this in practical. Now see what I will do, I will pass one range here. I will just copy this query, and now what I will do, I will take where. Now what I want data whose date of birth like fall between a particular range. So let me give the range. So B between. So before between we have to specify column name. Okay. So where DOB between, after that enter the date. So what I will do, I will pass date between 1995 0101, and after that between two range we have to give and. Okay, so this is my starting date and end date would be 1996 hyphen 12 hyphen 31. Okay, so now what I will get, like whoever date of birth falls between 1995 till 1996, those record I will get. Okay, if you see I get only 1995 1996 year date of birth.